Okay, dear students of class 9, today I am explaining atmospheric pollution. Okay, the word pollution is derived from the Latin word pollutes, which means made dirty. Pollution is created by harmful substances, generally produced by human beings. At time, nature also pollute the environment. The substances, I mean to say, pollutants that contaminate and degrade Earth's environment have an adverse impact not only on human life but also on plants and animals. Nature certainly has the capacity to accommodate some of these pollutants by way of recycling or storage in harmless form. When these pollutants are added to the environment at a rate much faster than nature, it leads to the deterioration of environment. Like toxic and otherwise harmful substances that have an undesirable impact on different components of the environment and life forms are known as pollutants. On the basis of their region, I mean to say sources, pollutants are two types, natural and man-made. Pollutants are two types. One is natural, another is man-made. Okay. Natural sources of air pollutants, that is volcanoes, decaying vegetation, like that. Okay, volcanoes release large amount of air pollutants such as carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, chlorine, hydrogen chloride, like that, and unburned carbon also. And decaying vegetation, microbial action on organic matter in soil releases pollutants like nitrous oxide. Forest fire release poisonous gas like carbon monoxide. Wind and dust storms carry particulate matter like sand and dust. On the other hand, man-made sources of air pollutants, these are automobiles, factories, industrial processes. Okay, like automobiles who are using diesel or petrol as fuel. Incomplete combustion of these fuels release carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogenous oxide also. Okay, these are the causes for the acid rain and lung cancer. Okay, factories releases carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen monoxide, etc. And industrial processes release different type of air pollutants depending upon the type of processes involved. Like example, coal power plant release carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and such and some smoke. Okay, fertilizer industry produces nitrogen dioxide, nitric oxide, like that. Those are poisonous. Okay, like what are the many harmful effect by the air pollution? Like acid rain. Acid rain, composition causes and its impact, like sulfur in fossil fuel giving oxide of sulfur when burned. High temperature in furnace and internal combustion engines produce oxide of nitrogen. Okay, these gases, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, when mixed with water, it will form acid, and this acid come in the earth surface by rain. Okay. Now global warming. Global warming, mainly greenhouse gases, the main cause for the global warming. Okay. Their sources and ways are reducing their presence of atmosphere, like water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and oxide of nitrogen. As a result, ozone layer is depleted. Okay. Okay. Ozone layer protect us from the harmful rays from produced by sun. But nowadays, ozone is depleted. Now, think about that gaseous pollutants and their effects. Sulfur dioxide affects yield of crops, high rises buildings, and causes lung cancer. Hydrogen sulfide. This gas reduces growth of crops and causes irritation of human eyes. And fluorides. Hydrogen fluoride like that. Okay, many gaseous fluorides are also there. Okay, most common is hydrogen fluoride. Hydrogen fluoride or fluorides causes destruction of vegetation and affects teeth and bones. Nitrogen dioxide cause death of many plants and are suspected to cause cancer. Carbon monoxide prevents hemoglobin for carrying oxygen to different part of the body. Tobacco smoke causes lung cancer. Lead also, okay, which enters air from motor vehicles using tetraethyl lead, impairs the body metabolic activities. Okay, now smog. Now, what is smog? SMOG, smog. A pollutant which is a combination of oxide of nitrogen and sulfur and partially oxidized hydrocarbons and their derivatives produced by industries and automobiles. Forms a dark, thick dust and soot. Okay, and produce like a fog like the thing is known as smog. Okay, it is the main noxious and irritating. Okay, it reduces the visibility, induces respiratory troubles, and can cause death by suffocation. Okay, the common thing is gaseous pollutants, nitrogen oxides, hydrocarbons, mainly methane, hydrocarbon, mainly methane, mind it, it's a greenhouse gas. Okay, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide, hydrogen sulfide, carbon monoxide. Okay. Now, oxide of nitrogen like nitric oxide, NO, dinitrogen oxide, N2O, and nitrogen dioxide, NO2. How it is formed? First of all, in automobiles or motor vehicles, okay, in internal engine produces huge amount of heat energy by burning of fossil fuel. Okay, that time they are burning by using oxygen, but not sufficient oxygen inside the engine. No, that time it will form carbon monoxide, and in air, 78% of air is nitrogen. So nitrogen also burns. Okay, it will form nitric oxide. Nitric oxide easily combine with atmospheric oxygen to form nitrogen dioxide. Okay,